Let's have fun!
Things made out of flexible foam, I call them foamies. You know, like pool noodles and stuff. They are very easily puppetized into the world's most famous pool noodles, Tubert and Flange.
Thank you. Welcome to Fearless Foamies.
Today's Fearless Foamie is from Foamtown in Noodleberry, Floobert de Goobert.
That's right, Flange. You know, Floobert's home video shows amazing suction power. He can really hold on tight.
And he will need to hold on tight, Tubert, as he tries to hold on to, not the bristly brush, not the wiggly dustpan, but yes, the dangling dog bowl. He loses his grip and it's down into the slippery splash water.
Time for this Fearless Foamie
To fly!
Wait, the dog dish is empty.
Floobert? There he is!
He's okie dokie.
Good job, Floobert.
You really are a fearless foamie.
That's my boy. Thank you. Thank you.
And we'll see you next time on Fearless... Fearless... Flange? Fearless...
Foamies!
These pool noodles make super fun puppets. I just use like plastic Hawaiian lei stuff for his hair, or you could not have any hair. Oops. So this stuff can just be pinned on. That's kind of fun. It goes into the foam and just comes right off. Here's Floobert with the wire that I used to pull him up and his rocket flare. He's just a really simple little character, and there's this guy too, and this guy too. Hey, let's make one. So from this pool noodle, I think I can cut a little bit off.
Hey, how'd you do that?
Let's make a fun little guy. Oh, and they're really easy to... Hello, will you please make the rest of me? I really like this flexible polyfoam, and I don't know, you can make all kinds of stuff out of it, like a caterpillar.